Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do Shamrock Swirl nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And this first color we're going to start out with is from Curious Sky. This is Call It Cliche. It is this beautiful green shade. I couldn't find anything like this in my Madam Glam collection. You guys know I prefer Madam Glam over Curious Sky, but some of their colors are very unique, so I did pull this one out. We're going to paint all of the nails except the ring finger with this green. Then the next color we're going to use is Madam Glam's It's Not You, It's Me. This is a gold shimmer, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on my ring finger. And we're going to go ahead and do 2 coats of both of these colors. Once I have that second coat all cured, I go ahead and cleanse all of my nails from the tacky layer. We're going to go in and do some swirl nails. So I'll be taking Madam Glam's I Lime You, which is a pastel green. Then we're going to go in with that same gold, It's Not You, It's Me. This one here is Madam Glam's Peppermint Kiss. This is a light holographic green. And then we're going to put another layer of the I Lime You. So I just lined up all the colors on my palette here. I'm going to take a dotting tool and swirl them together really quick. Then we're going to go in with the Blossom Gel from Jelly Nails. We're going to put a thin coat of this on the pinky finger. Then I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to pick up some of that swirl design, and I'm going to drop it and swirl it into that wet Blossom Gel. And you just go back and forth, picking up more color, putting it down, swirling it more on the brush, and then let the Blossom Gel do the rest. It kind of finishes swirling and blending everything out. You're going to go ahead and flash cure that. We're going to move on to the pointer finger and do the same thing. You'll see me dropping the swirls in, picking up different colors, and then giving that a full cure. Once we have the swirls completely cured, we're going to go ahead and take some flex gel, or you could take a top coat, or just something like that. A clear gel is what you need. And we're going to take the foil box from Jelly Nails, and we're going to use the gold flakes out of this box. So I just put a thin layer of the flex gel on my nail, and then using a dotting tool with a little bit more gel on it, I pick up some of the foil and I put it down on the nail. And this foil breaks up really easily, so if you get a larger piece, you put it down on the nail and use that dotting tool to kind of drag it and break it out. And I just tried to follow some of the swirl patterns that were on the nail and add in those gold flakes along the swirl pattern. Then we're going to take the 4-leaf clover box from Jelly Nails as well. And we're going to take these Shamrock glitters that are more of an olive green shade. And I'm going to put a little bit more of that gel just so that way it helps to seal in the glitter. We're going to drop in 2 of the Shamrocks on this nail, and we're going to give that a cure. We're going to do the same process to the pointer finger, adding in the flakes, then adding in the Shamrocks. I think on this one I ended up doing 3 Shamrocks. And once that layer is cured, I am going to go ahead and encapsulate the flakes and the Shamrocks, mostly because the Shamrocks are a little on the thick side. They poke up just a little bit, enough for me to want to encapsulate them. So I'm going to take that flex gel again, do a thin layer, and make sure that those glitters are encapsulated in. We're going to go ahead and cleanse all the nails again. We're going to finish file those 2 nails that we encapsulated just to make sure everything's nice and smooth, nothing's bulky. We're going to redo the shaping on the edge as well. And then we're going to lightly buffer over it so it's nice and smooth for top coat. Next, we're going to take Light Elegance's Dreaming of Dubai. This is my favorite holographic gold glitter. We're going to do a layer of this on top of the previous gold that we have, just to add some chunkier glitters, more sparkle. And then it's time to top coat. We'll be using the Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here's how my Shamrock Swirl nails came out. I absolutely love them. I love the shade of green, and I love how much depth the swirl nails have to them with all the different layers of the different shades of green, the gold flakes, and then adding those shamrock glitters in there. It just creates a beautiful set, and then adding that gold accent just really ties everything together. And this is a pretty easy set to do for St. Patrick's Day, and it looks like you've done a lot of steps, but it's all really simple and easy, but it comes out really beautiful. I love doing swirl nails. They're easy, but they look so gorgeous. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my holiday tutorials, and make sure you're subscribed for more tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!